I was just sent this stool, so let's put it together. Let's see what we got. Saddle type seats, some legs, some wheels, hydraulic cylinder. Just got everything open here. We got the base, we got the wheels, we got the hydraulics, and we got the seat. Let's put it together. Very simple to put it together. You just push the wheels in, until they click. Once the wheel clicks, you're good to go. This just sets in there like so. You do need to remove this plastic piece here. Then we're ready for the seat. Line it up. It's that simple. It takes longer to take it out of the box than it does to put it together. One thing that's really unique with this is you have a saddle-like seat. It's leather-like material, very cushiony. See all that cushion there? And there's hydraulics on the side. Oh, you gotta sit on it so you get to go down. But when you're on it, you kind of feel like a cowboy. I can see this be really comfortable sitting in this for most of the day. Really sturdy base. Everything is a nice shiny chrome. But you are just stuck in the seat. You could be in the computer, playing video games, wherever, workbench. This is a really nice unit. Glides nice across the ground. Glides nice on carpet and hardwood. Very sturdy, shiny, chrome-like base. If you're in the market for a high quality, comfortable stool, this would be a great option for you.